Title: Whispers of Rumi, a modern journey of love and wisdom. In the heart of a bustling city, amidst the chaos of modern life, there lived a young woman named Maya. Despite her success in the corporate world, Maya felt a deep emptiness within her soul. Longing for meaning and purpose, she sought solace in books and meditation. One day, while browsing through an old bookstore, Maya stumbled upon a dusty tome adorned with intricate calligraphy. Curious, she opened its pages to find the mesmerizing poetry of Rumi, the 13th century Persian mystic. As she read his words, she felt a profound sense of resonance stirring within her. Intrigued by Rumi's wisdom, Maya embarked on a journey to explore his teachings further. She attended Sufi gatherings, where she found herself immersed in the mystical chants and dances that echoed Rumi's message of divine love. Along her journey, Maya encountered a diverse array of characters, each embodying different facets of Rumi's philosophy. There was Ali, a humble street vendor who radiated joy and contentment despite his meager possessions. Then there was Layla, a talented artist who expressed her innermost thoughts through vibrant paintings inspired by Rumi's poetry. As Maya delved deeper into Rumi's teachings, she began to experience a profound transformation within herself. She learned to embrace the present moment, finding beauty in the simplest of things. She let go of her attachment to material wealth and instead focused on cultivating meaningful connections with others. Through her newfound understanding of love and compassion, Maya found herself drawn to Adam, a kind-hearted musician who shared her passion for Rumi's poetry. Together, they embarked on a journey of exploration and self-discovery, navigating the complexities of life with grace and humility. Their love blossomed like the petals of a lotus flower, rooted in the timeless wisdom of Rumi's words. With each passing day, Maya and Adam found themselves growing closer to the essence of their true selves, guided by the whispers of Rumi's spirit. And so, amidst the chaos of the modern world, Maya found her sanctuary in the timeless teachings of Rumi, embracing love as the ultimate path to enlightenment. As their story unfolded, it captivated the hearts of people around the world, inspiring them to seek their own inner truth and embark on their own journey of self-discovery. For in the words of Rumi himself, "The wound is the place where the light enters you." And in Maya's journey, the light of Rumi's wisdom shone brightly, illuminating the path for all who dared to follow.